We're ready to start?
Yeah.
I can't remember what I was saying. Oh yeah, ready? And now for something completely different.
Yep. I forgot what we called it.
I don't know either. All I had was amateur art hour. But I don't remember what you called
It's not amateur art hour.
That's so catchy though.
I don't like it.
And now for something completely different.
Welcome to Creative Corner.
Today we're going to try our hand at the acrylic art pour videos that you have seen all over YouTube. So we thought we would give it a try. We have absolutely no reason to think that this is going to work.
No, I don't think so.
But we're going to try anyway. So I went to Michael's to get all the stuff, and I got us some little canvases. And then I bought this Trusted Quality pre-mixed pouring paint. If you watch any of those acrylic pour painting videos, you'll know that they pour different mixtures together, and we just tried to make this as easy as possible so you can get this pre-mixed paint. And so that's what we chose to do.
Yeah, let's give it a try.
All right. So we have gloves.
Gloves.
And then I got these little cups, and we have the hair dryer as well. And we did make 2 paintings earlier just to sort of give it a try, because like I said, we've never done this before.
We did a test paint.
So I did one earlier where I poured it into the cup first, and so I think on this one I want to try just pouring it directly onto the canvas. And so, as you can probably tell, we have a teeny tiny little apartment and not a great place to actually do this, so we just got this tablecloth for the coffee table, and then I bought these baking pans to try to keep all of the paint as concentrated and not messy as possible.
This will work out good.
We're doing it as best we can here. Okay.
What colors do you want to start with?
I think I have seen a couple where they do some other colors on the bottom and then like black around it. So I think I'm going to try that.
Yeah, give it a go.
Okay. We'll start with aqua.
It's going.
And then on the videos they did like black around it. I'm not sure exactly what that does, but
It just kind of outlines it. It's looking pretty cool so far.
And then I think from here, I'm going to try with the
hair dryer?
Hair dryer. made like a giant cloud. Does it look a little bit too mixed? I also got some on my arm.
Yes, it looks very mixed.
Clearly we should have probably worn like bibs or something.
We didn't think of that.
It's like a little cloud.
Yeah, I think it looks really cool.
Maybe I missed a little bit on the corners, so I'll try to get some of this extra.
Oh, there you go.
paint
Yeah,
back.
try it. Do that. Do a little bit of that.
A lot of paint on that extra corner. I don't think I'm going to be able to get it all the way over there. Maybe I can.
Whoa!
Josie, I think your face is right in the way. Was it too much?
It's okay.
Should I have stopped while I was ahead?
Well, you turned it, the black and the white into gray,
Into gray.
for sure. But it works.
All right. Well, that's something anyway. You want to give yours a try?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can see it a little bit this way.
Oh, it's sliding.
Okay. I'll stop that.
Okay. We'll see how yours goes.
Yeah, I think it'll go good. I want to try the cup method this time.
Okay.
I thought that looked pretty cool.
I'm sure by the time we get to the larger canvases at the end, we'll have mastered this and they're going to look amazing. But up until
Probably.
But up until then, we just kind of have this mixed up mess.
Got a little white, some green.
I think that's the sour apple green.
Sour apple.
We'll have plenty of paint left.
Good.
So these are 8-ounce 8-ounce containers of paint, and I was worried that we weren't going to have enough, so I got the smallest canvases I could find, but I think we're going to have a ton. So we really could just have like a whole paint party after this and use
Paint
all of
party!
this paint up.
Alright, I'm
That
just...
looks cool. You're better at the minimal
Yeah.
aspect of it, while all of mine just look like someone threw up paint on them.
I just kind of swirled it around.
Cool, the pattern. It's like a river or like a Christmas tree kind of pattern.
Yeah, so I'm just kind of going back and forth and doing a little wine
Yeah.
motif, but
I mean, you took a few art classes in college, right? So
yeah, I took some, but this is, I don't know how studio art technique this is.
how much it applies
Yeah,
to
how much that applies to this.
to a YouTube video.
I think it's very minimal.
I don't have any art background, but I have a lot of craft background being a Girl Scout for like 15 years. So maybe that applies more.
Yeah, I think so. Whoa!
That went like so different than anyone that I think I've seen online, because you did like the little dots in it.
Yeah, I
And
like the
it's-
dots.
No, I think it's cool. It's not mixing together quite as much as the ones that I've seen online, and I think it kind of looks more artistic this way.
I think this turned out great. I'm ready for a big one.
All right, I'll move these to the kitchen and we'll get ready to go.
Let's do it.
Huh.
You got it. You just gotta tornado out.
Alright, I think we're ready for the big paintings now.
Let's try a bigger one. What colors are you gonna use?
I don't know. Why don't you go first on this one?
Okay.
Basic, just, so I can kind of cheat off of you.
Yeah,
Because so far I've liked all yours better than mine, and so if I see how yours looks, then maybe I'll know what to do for mine better.
I'm gonna go with mostly white and some of the blue
Okay.
with a tinge of green.
I think altogether, if you wanted to give this a go casually, like we are just on like a Saturday afternoon, I think it cost probably maybe $40 for all the supplies totally, and we had nothing before, so I bought all the paint and the tablecloth and the canvas and everything. So, if we were going out on a Saturday, we'd probably spend that much or more.
Yeah,
So
easily.
it wasn't too bad. The paint's definitely the more expensive part, but like I said, I thought we would go through this pretty quickly, but most of these, the yellow's still completely full. We used a lot of the white, and it's about half full. So the paint goes a little further than I had anticipated, so we probably could have gotten even larger canvases or more canvases, or brought a couple more people over and done it as a group.
I feel like we could have gotten some more white. That's a base for most things.
Mm-hmm.
But
yeah, I think if we were going to do it again, black and white, you definitely use the most of, so then maybe get more of those, and you can go less on the actual other colors.
yours looks amazing.
I got some on the table.
I'm telling. Done.
Okay.
Whoa.
Are you sure it's done? Are you sure I shouldn't do
Yes. Stop.
Okay.
Wow. This looks awesome.
I like yours better.
I think yours
looks so cool.
Yours almost looks like a marble. Like marble.
Well, and I wish I hadn't done those little ones.
That's the part that I like.
All right, okay.
Like the white part?
Yeah, like the top little bit.
that's the marbling, like a marble countertop. It looks like.
Okay.
I think it looks awesome.
So when we get our new house, we won't have marble countertops. We'll just do this on the countertop.
That'll be perfect. Yeah, that's what we'll do.
Okay, perfect. Well,
I can't believe how simple this was.
That's it.
I thought this was going to be so much more complicated, and it wasn't at all. It was so much fun.
Oh, and we did the whole thing in about half an hour, 45 minutes, I would say, to get everything all set up and decided how we wanted to make them, and this is a good little date night project.
Yeah, the tablecloth is a great idea, so you don't get whatever table is dirty, or if you want, I guess you could do this outside, but in our living room was the best option for us.
Yeah, it's you know, it's February, so we're
Yeah.
probably not going to do this outside in February in Colorado, but yeah, I think the tray is super helpful.
Yeah, for sure.
And then I still got a little bit on the table,
Just a little
because I'm
drops.
messy, so glad we had that. And I got some on me, but
That's to be expected.
yeah, that's going to happen. But yeah, I think otherwise it works really well.
Thanks so much for watching our crafting corner.
If you want to see more, let us know. I think we have a few other ideas of some art projects we want to do. We've been talking about maybe trying one of those resin pours that we've seen a lot on YouTube. So, you know, if you enjoyed this sort of thing, I think it'd be fun to do a bit more.
Thanks so much, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
Good? All right.
Yeah. You can do it. Up. Up. You got a tornado out. Tornado out.
Okay.
Yeah!